Hello and welcome to today's video. Hope you all are doing well. And today we start with the bad news that came yesterday. This is regarding the FTT token, the new token of FTX exchange. CZ saying that he is going to sell his all the holdings of FTT because of some issues, and I don't know what the real reason is behind the scenes. Nobody knows. Is this a fight between the two whales, or it is just to spread the FUD to kick the retailers out? Nobody knows what's behind the scenes, but the current sentiment is negative regarding this token. And in the reply, the Sam has said that he too holds the BNB token and he would sell them as well if CZ is going to dump FTT token. So the two wheels are fighting. CZ, the owner of the one of the biggest exchange of crypto finance, Sam, the owner of FTX. So the overall sentiment is negative from the last night. So let's see what happens in future. This can go anyway. We know what happened to the Luna in the uh, last few months. It went to zero. It was one of the best coin among top 20. It was on the market cap, but we all saw what happened to that. So this was the news. What we saw. Let's move to the charts of FTT, which is the native token of the FTX exchange. So what I see here, if we keep the news aside, what actually has happened since yesterday when the news came of the CD, it has dropped about 14%. Okay, but to what point it has actually dropped, we need to see on the daily time frame. I would like to shift it to weekly to see the bigger picture of it. See, it is actually at the support, beautiful support. If I draw it for you to make it quite clear, where is this? See, this is the support. Turn it green because this is support, and this. See, as you can see, support, support, and here is also support. You can see it's a good support, and if it was really bad, it should have broken the support here. But it can happen in the near future. Nobody knows, or it can jump here from as well. So we need to see. Currently, it is at support, and good support according to technical analysis. According to the price, it is at support. 22 to $21 is the support for FTT token. So if it goes down below this region, confirm this as resistance according to the price action. So how down we can go? I can see nothing here. No resistance, no support. It has went straight up, and it has stopped here. Confirm this area as an support, but it is currently retesting it again, retesting this area. So I see nothing on weekly. I need to shift on daily and see what's happening here. See what we can see here. Okay, we have another support here at $11 to $8 this area. I'm not saying it's going to this area directly from 20 to 80, 10 or 8, but this is a probability. If it comes down, it may go here if I have support and move up, or even broke below this area. Nobody knows what's going to happen. We have seen what happened to Luna. I was so confident about the Luna making sustaining this bear market and going high from that area, but it went to zero. Nobody knows what's going to happen. As a traders, we need to manage our trades. We need to put stop losses. Our risk management should be there. We shouldn't go all in one token and put our money in one token. So that's the thing. We need to manage our risk. These big players will keep on playing their games. We need to be alert, and we need to protect our capital. And this is all about FTT token. This can be FUD so that they can kick out the retailers here, so that retailers sell at the bottom. You can see this is the bottom right now. This is the bottom until unless this confirms as resistance. This is the bottom. So nobody knows according to PA. This is what I have to say. And one more thing I want to say is regarding CZ token. I made a first video regarding this that was very short and precise. I have seen one thing. That's why I am again showing this here. I will make it clear. See, this is the World Cup. FIFA is going to start within a few days now, and see CZ is a platform where you can buy fan tokens related to football. And what we see here is this. Wait, let me make this clear for the people. These are the support and resistance that I draw a few days back. I will move them for you people. I want to show you something, a pattern forming on the weekly, and see what's happening here. Actually, a cup and handle is being formed here on the weekly. See, I will draw it for you to make it clear. There it goes, another one. This is the handle, and I will draw the neckline. You can easily draw this by yourself as well. There's no rocket science in this. See how I draw this. Keeping this yellow for you people to get it. See, this is the cup, this is the handle, and it is currently at the resistance of the neckline. So what we need to see that if it confirms this as a support, this neckline. So where we are heading to, let me see. That is the other. So the target for the cup and handle is the height of this cup. I draw the trend line from the top of this neckline to the bottom of this cup, and I drag it from here to this. So the target for us is around 0.46. This is what I am eyeing at. So for that, we need to first of all break this neckline. So if we break this neckline, confirm this is support. So we for my target for this is 0.46. I'm not saying that it will go straight away to this point. It may take few weeks, few days. So nothing in trading goes straight up, straight down. It moves in a particular pattern, up, down, up, and it may go to this point. So this is the point I want to add to that CIZ analysis that I made a few days back, and with the things going around regarding the football, and I have another token that I'm eyeing at right now. That's Algo. Algo is also one of the tokens that I am eyeing for the next few weeks because of the FIFA trend. See, currently it's at the resistance, rejection, 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 and it's currently facing another rejection here. I will move to the 4 hour chart and see what's happening. Oh, I should go to daily eyes. See, I had drawn these levels a few days back when I was doing the analysis of this coin, and this is a resistance 0.49 cents, and 0.50 cents is also a technical. It's also a psychological resistance. Sorry, I was saying technical. It's a psychological resistance 0.49, 0.50. So what I see here that if we break this area, this above 50 cents, if we went here, what targets I am aiming at, and I have already made the analysis of this. No, I haven't made that yet. I will make it in front of you. So my first target will be around this SC. This is the top. This is a resistance. This is a support here, support here, support here, and another support here. So this area, this is my resistance now. When the price moves up, this is my resistance now. See if I draw it from here to here. So this area, 0.7 to 0.67 to point. I know this is a big margin here, but this area I would like to see a reduction if it comes to this point. So these tokens we should buy. I have mentioned these tokens in my Twitter account as well. You can see that I suggested it a few weeks back. I was showing it. So this area is an resistance for algo. If it moves high, there's another resistance at I think $1 will be the psychological resistance for this algo. So I will analyze it later. Right now it should go above this point 5, and later on I'm in this area 0.7, 0.69 area. So hope you enjoyed today's videos, and please, if you have any questions or any query, you can write down in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions or any query, you can write down there in the comment section. You and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. And next video, which coin do you want me to analyze? So mention that in the comment section. Have a nice day.